How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to stop being scared of the dark, a tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So yes, I used to be scared of the dark as well. It is pretty easy to get rid of this. It does take a little bit of practice, and it does take a couple of tricks that will really help you out. So I find most people that are scared of the dark, they are anxious. I'm a pretty anxious person, and I find that's kind of what really leads me to being scared of the dark. I'm always thinking of things, always thinking of problems I can solve, stuff like that. So I'm pretty anxious. One of the main things I did for getting rid of scared of the dark is I made sure I didn't just turn the light off, go completely dark and try to get rid of it like that. What I did for the longest time is I had a TV in my room. So I would just put my TV on a music station and then I would mute it. So basically with the music station, you just see like basically the title and the song or whatever. And that was literally it. So it was basically like a blank screen on the TV, but there was a light because the TV was on. So I was getting a little bit of light in the room, but it was pretty dark. And I find just having a little bit of light, I slept perfectly fine. So it's kind of like a night light, if you will, but it's much darker. And this works amazing. So what you can do is you can do this with anything. Literally just turn your TV on. It doesn't have to be on a certain station. Just put it on any movie or any show and completely mute it. Or if you want, you can leave a little bit of sound. I did that for a long time. I listened to a little bit of sound on it. And just having a little bit of background music, I find you don't hear all the silence. And then if you hear a little creak or a little thing, you get all scared and nervous. So having a little bit of background music works really well, and just having a little bit of light. Now, I did this for a pretty long time, but then eventually what happened, because I was mostly sleeping in the dark, is that eventually I just slept in the dark. It was no big deal, and it's not a big deal anymore. I just completely sleep in the dark now. So that was my biggest tip, and that's something that really helped me. So that's something that I really recommend you guys. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.